Kajialang Khun Menteri Kesorkar MDA tu haka khat khandai tere gunaitung araja arpusau kalayathir halor kajing terwa ka Varun Beverages ka company penmi jingdi pengat bantai ka industrial unit ha Mendipathar North Garo Hills. Menteri Rangba ka Jelau Konrad Kir Sangma Ulaong baladap ai jaka syakatega company kaban pelut pisah do arspa klur ban snaya ka industrial unit. Ulaong bagajing don ketika industrial unit kan plilat iki Khun Samla ban yok kam yok jam bat kentiu ya ka yok ka kot kinong song snong. Kumban syukrau baka Mendipathar kadai tang makahi ha kejala Meghalaya ka bola poi lentiral ban kit ya Atiar kitar.
The project proposal given by Varun Beverages Limited. This is the company that runs the PepsiCo plants, and this is a proposal of 200 crore plant in terms of the Pepsi products and an additional 100 crores investment in terms of fruit pulp and fruit juice investment in the same campus, and this is a proposal of total of 300 crores of investment. The plant is being proposed to put up in the Mendipathar industrial area, and the cabinet decision or cabinet meeting was to clear customized incentives which, as per the Meghalaya industrial policy of 2024, we have provisions where investments over 100 crores, certain special incentives can be given. And this is again in line with what many other state governments have done. So in this line, we have also decided to support this particular customized incentive as per the policy of the state government. And in this, an amount of close to 30% more capital investment subsidy, which they had requested over and above the normal amount that is given. Another additional amount of 30% more is being added to that capital subsidy. So the 7.5 crores is a capital subsidy, and an additional 5 crores is being proposed, where the demand from the company was about close to 40 crores of investment. They had asked for capital investment, but it's been reduced to, as I said, to 5 crore. Second was the incentive they had requested for interest subvention. Again, this is in line with what many other state governments do, and we have agreed to give 2% interest subvention in this. At the same time, the GST amount that is there, which normally there is a reimbursement of the GST. Again, it's in line with the Unnati scheme and also with the schemes from other state governments, where the reimbursement was asked for about 300%. We have reduced that, and we have agreed to a 200% investment or return of the SGST. That means the state GST tax collection that takes place. In other states, the amount goes up to even 300%. So we had brought it down and agreed to 200%. So these were the few incentives that we had agreed on giving to them additionally over and above the normal incentives which we are giving to other plants. As I said, this is a special category because it's investment over 100 crores. It's a 300 crore plant. Important thing to remember also in this is that not only will they start packaging the Pepsi products out here, but they will also be having a plant and a line to produce local pineapple as well as other juice using the local fruits that are available in the state, and that will be a great advantage for the state. Another condition that we have put in this particular project is that 90% of the non-managerial staff has to be local, and the managerial staff within the next 2 years, they will have to have minimum of 50% of managerial staff also locally from the state, starting with 25% in the first 2 years, but after 2 years, 50% of the managerial staff also has to be local, and the non-managerial staff from day one, 90% should be local. So these were the conditions that were put by the state government, and also, as I said, the condition that a plant should also be put up to support the local produce and other local products to help the farmers. Yes, it will be. It is part of the industrial policy. So we are making sure that maximum employment, because the foremost benefit for any kind of industrial policy and industries coming into the state is the employment generation that it gives. So with this particular plant, we expect direct and indirect employment of close to 500 individuals, apart from the other areas, and the ancillary units of other things that may come up out there. So those are not included, but the direct and indirect employment that will be generated will be a minimum of 500. So in all of these cases, as I said, majority or 90% plus will be our local people.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong, ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro.
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai kira shon jong menta ubnai.
Hoi ta.
Ba? Ukau iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba? Ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umde uba ba?
Kong, kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi ki kta ya ka kot ka khya ka jongi. Manda ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ladangi bam ki jingbam ki bom tei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ila ban yo ya ka jingpang dunas nam mar ka jing bria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 udan jinga dei kumno.
Yo iya ka jingtei ya ka met ka phat ka jongi nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jongkine ngien ngat hagi babun ki jajingpa ka sarkar ka persangkar bala banwanra ya ka kot ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha bau khau ata kamlu kadut bat ke ompnyang bam. Ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki bantei ya kamet. Knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu sanpo persen kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet. But lai kerteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki ta ka sharp plus F haki.
Ba, uni ujing bam plus F pat ngila ban yo ne ai.
Nang ne kong. Nagani ka daw ka sarkar kalapan mi yaki skim ICDS, MDM, PDS ka baha na ka benta upaj ba. Ka sarkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan na ka ba kilapha daw khau ba bhatam na ka benta ki khna bat kilong kimi ki ba armen. Dei na kata ka daw patang da uni ujaj khau ba bhatam ban sam shabaro kilong yeng. Nang ni shakman. Tang da khau fortified.
Ba, pikiran ya ka jing shisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.